Hi friends, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to see how to print factorial of a number in Python. Now onwards I am going to use PyCharm, which is easier and more faster than Visual Studio Code. If you want to download PyCharm, the link is in the description. Click it and download. Now let's see what is a factorial. Factorial is a number which is multiplied. For example, the factorial of 5 is 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, which means 5 fours are 20, 23s are 60, 62s are 120, 121s are 120. Like that, we are going to print a factorial of a number. Let's go into the code. N equals int of input of for number you need factorial if n is less than 1, print of we can't print factorial less than 1. Now we are calling the exit function. exit function. It's called. Now we are going to use the recursive function, which means calling a function in the same function. Now we are going to create a function called def fact of n. If n equal to 1 return 1, else return of n into fact of n minus 1. This is the recursive. The function name is fact and we are calling the fact function. Why I am calling fact function? What is the purpose of this recursive function? We can do this factorial by for loop, but recursive is more easier than factorial. This fact, for example, if n equal to 5, written 5 into 5 minus 1. What is 5 minus 1? 4. It will automatically change the value in recursive. 5 minus 1, 4. Then n will become 4. Then 4 minus 1, 3. Automatically it will change the value. And if n equals 1, here the condition will be over. That is why we are using the recursive function. Now we should call the function. Fact equals fact function of n. Print of factorial of n is fact. Now I'll re-explain the code. We are getting for which number with the u1 factorial. Well, As I said in the beginning, n is an integer. It can't be float. If n is lesser than 1, we can't print factorials. Why? Because if anything multiplied 0 is 0. That is why. We are calling the exit function. Now we are creating a function called fact. If n is less than 1, return 1. No, not less than 1, equal to. Equal to 1, less than 1. Else, I am returning the value of n into n minus 1. I am creating a global variable called fact for calling the function, fact function. Print the factorial of n, which is got as input, is fact. Now the code is over. Let's run the code in terminal. For 5, the factorial of 5 is 120, as I said in the beginning. Let's check. Yes, the factorial of 5 is 120, which means that the code is over. Now let's rerun the code. I am keeping the value of n is 0. It's working correctly. The first condition is worked. If you learn something new, don't forget to like this video, share this video, and don't forget to subscribe the channel and click the bell icon. Thank you.